Okay, hey guys, 40RLY here, and today is just gonna be a normal video like it always is. So, yeah. And as you all know, I did get my worn back, and now I look awesome, as always. So, yeah. I'll delete my brother. I don't even why I 2362. Is that the person? I'm sorry. 2362. I have to. Who are you? 2362. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I can't buddy you. I have to buddy that person. From See, I can look like this, but it doesn't look right, so I bought this, and I'm trying to get tail armor. These are the things that I have decided to trade for it. So if you guys know anybody that is not wanting their pink tail armor, I will happily trade them, because that is actually what I'm looking for. So yeah, that's that. So pretty much. That was confusing. I know you don't know me, but hi. Hey. Hello. This is really confusing. I know General, but not Pilgrim. General, I've been buddies since yesterday. I've been buddies since never. Yeah, so pretty much that's it. What party is going on? Oh, poop. My brother coming on by. What? Oh, she must share an account with her brother. Or maybe she just has an article of her own. Probably, I don't know. Possibly. Maybe. I don't know. If she is hip. What? Holy. Oh, you mean that one guy. Oh, I get you. Kind of. So I'm just gonna go with it, I guess. Yeah. Do I know you people? Yeah, I met you yesterday. I met you a couple days ago. That's the loudest thing on my video when I go. I'm bored. Evil. Yeah. So, pretty much, I'm gonna say hello again, because I'm bored. Oh, no, wait, hey. No, wait. Wait, what? I find it weird someone scammed me a lot. Huh? you find it weird that someone's scammed you. Sometimes I wonder about people. So yesterday the Monday rare item was Black Halo. I didn't buy it because I wasn't home yesterday. I was out riding my horse. So yeah. And then the bats are back. And so are this thingy, this, yeah. They don't have very many den items, so yeah, so that's kind of it. 40 rarely. Yeah, I've gotten some gemograms, and I already opened up the prizes in some of my other videos, so yeah. Well, bye, jammers.